Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a hard katana with paper. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need sturdy paper like cardstock or construction paper, which provides a good base for durability. A strong adhesive, such as hot glue or super glue, is crucial for holding everything together firmly. Don't forget your cutting tools: a ruler for straight lines, scissors, and a craft knife for detailed work. These tools ensure accuracy and a clean finish for your paper katana. Now, let's focus on crafting the blade itself. Begin by rolling several sheets of paper very tightly to create a solid, dense core. This core will give your katana its necessary rigidity. Once rolled, secure the paper firmly with glue along its entire length to prevent unraveling. Next, you'll start shaping the blade by adding more layers of paper, gradually tapering the edges to achieve that iconic katana profile. This layering process builds strength and defines the blade's form. Moving on to the hilt and guard, these components are vital for both aesthetics and handling. Construct the hilt by wrapping paper tightly around the base of your blade, building up a comfortable grip. For the handguard or tsuba, cut out several layers of thick paper and glue them together to create a sturdy disc. Finally, attach this guard securely to the blade, positioning it just above where the hilt begins. This provides protection and completes the katana's classic look. For the final touches, reinforce your entire paper katana with a generous layer of glue or a clear sealant. This step significantly increases its durability and gives it a harder finish. After the glue dries, unleash your creativity by painting or decorating your katana to achieve a realistic appearance, adding details like a faux hamon line or a textured grip. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Your finished paper katana is now ready for display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.